Congress has its own fair share of dhamkis. Sample this. Yesterday, Congress leader Pawan Kheda claimed that the BJP-led governments in 10 to 15 states will collapse once the INDIA comes to power at the centre. Before him, it was Congress MLA Raju Kage in Karnataka who said that if people don't vote for him, he will cut off their electricity. And this is not all. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has warned of kicking out the BJP leader Praful Patel if Congress comes to power. Listen to these statements to believe it.
पूरे देश में लोकतंत्र का मजाक बनाया। हमने इसीलिए गोवा को देखते हुए हमारे मैनिफेस्टो में 10th शेड्यूल का नाम डाला कि हम 10th शेड्यूल को इतना मजबूत करेंगे कि कोई भी सांसद या विधायक जो ही अपनी पार्टी बदलता है वो तुरंत डिस्क्वालीफाई हो जाएगा। आप ये देख लीजिए, 2024 के लोकसभा के रिजल्ट आने दीजिए। 5 जून को सरकार हमारी बनेगी इंडिया गठबंधन की। पहला काम 10th शेड्यूल का करना जरूरी है। देखिएगा 10-15 राज्य सरकारें भारतीय जनता पार्टी की गिर जाएंगी, जुलाई आते आते खत्म हो जाएंगी।
प्रफुल्ल पटेल जी को राजा जैसे आपके सिर के ऊपर बैठा रखा है और प्रफुल्ल पटेल जी यहाँ के राजा जो मन में आता है वो करते रहते हैं, आप लोगों को तंग करते रहते हैं। अब आप सोच रहे हो कि नहीं भाई ये तो हमारे साथ हो रहा है सिर्फ, मगर ये पूरे देश में हो रहा है। संविधान जो है उसको खत्म किसी ना किसी तरह आरएसएस और बीजेपी के लोग चाहते हैं कि किसी ना किसी तरह इसको खत्म कर दिया जाए। जैसे ही दिल्ली में हमारी सरकार आएगी तो प्रफुल्ल पटेल को ना हम यहां से आउट करके 2 मिनट में जो पूरा भ्रष्टाचार किया है, घर तोड़े हैं, उसका पूरा दादागिरी जो है उसको सीधा टाइट कर देंगे।
400 ಮಠಗಳು ನನಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾವು। 400 ಮಂಗಾವತಿ ಜುಗುಳು ಶಾಪುರದವ್ರ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಯಾಕ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಹುಳ ಬೀಳ್ತಾವ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ। ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮತ ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಕದೀವು ಉಳಿದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ। ನಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಮಂಗಾವತಿ ಗೌಡ್ರ।
All right, Mohit Bhatt is live with us on the broadcast. Mohit, we heard what the Congress leaders had to say. If TMC MLA statement about drowning voters wasn't enough, then of course Congress has also had its fair share of dhamkis. Pawan Kheda literally saying that if they come to power, BJP governments in 10 to 15 states will collapse. How is the BJP reacting to this?
Well, you see what the BJP says is that, and in fact, you see, Meenakshi, we know for a fact that how BJP has gone to the Election Commission several times and they have raised questions on the language and the threats that are being given by the Congress party leaders at various occasions. Yesterday itself, a delegation led by Sudhanshu Trivedi, Rajiv Chandrasekhar met Election Commission, and they also stated in that particular memorandum that they have given to the EC that Congress leaders are making various threats, they are making such false statements, and hence it should be kept in check. Now, Humayun Kabir's issue was also yesterday raked up by the BJP in front of the Election Commission too, that just for the sake of the appeasement politics, Hindus are being reduced to second-class citizens in the country, specifically in West Bengal, and that is why we see that our BJP yesterday also hit out at Humayun Kabir, saying that what exactly Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and other constituents of the India bloc have to say on the statement that has been given by Humayun Kabir. Now, when Humayun Kabir says that we will throw 30% of them, that he was referring to the BJP supporters, but the BJP clearly says that he's referring to the Hindus. In 2 hours, he will throw them into Bhagirathi River. And we also know for a fact that how Humayun Kabir also stated that don't worry, you are 30%, we are 70%. So the BJP says that is a clear threat to the voters over there. It's a clear threat to Hindu, and just for the sake of appeasement politics, the TMC is playing such a dirty game that Hindus are reduced to the second-class citizens in the country. And that issue is being raked up by the Prime Minister when he was addressing a rally in West Bengal, where Prime Minister has hit out at the appeasement politics of the TMC government over there. So we have seen that the BJP has reached out to the Election Commission regarding all these statements. Statement of Pawan Kheda.
Well, absolutely, you're right. The war of words is escalating. Of course, it's mid-polls and we expected the same.